Alright, which expression represents the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter, again, is adding all sides. Whenever you see these two little lines, angle lines, it means they have the same angle. So if they have the same angle, they have the same length. So it means this side is x plus 2. So x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus x. There's 1, 2, 3. So there's 3x. 2 plus 2 is 4. So the answer is 51a. That's pretty easy. What is the slope of the linear equation that? So we have to get it in slope form. So it's y is equal to mx plus b. Alright. So we have to take the 101 to the other side. So you're left with 53y is equal to 12 minus 101x. How you get rid of the? You have to get y by itself. How you do that? By dividing by 53. So you divide everything by 53. So the slope is just this, which is negative 101 over 53. 52h. Pretty simple. The rectangle below has a perimeter of 18 feet with a length of 6. So this is 6 and this is 6. So this is 12. Makes this 12. Alright. So it means that the sides are 3 and 3. Alright, a new rectangle is formed by decreasing the width by 1 foot and keeping the length. Okay, how will the perimeter of the new rectangle compare with the perimeter of the original? Alright, so the width goes down. So the 3 goes down to becomes 2. So you're left with a 6, 6, 2, 2. So that's 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2, 14, plus 2 is 16. So 16 feet is the new perimeter. Alright, which one of these gives, when you do it gives you 16 feet? Perimeter of the new rectangle will be 3 feet shorter. Is it 3 feet shorter? No, it's 2 feet shorter. The perimeter of the new rectangle will be 2 feet shorter. Yes, so the answer is 53B. So again, you have to find the new perimeter, the perimeter of the new rectangle, and see how they compare to each other. Alright, number 54. Which expression best represents the value of the nth term? Alright, so this one, convert everything to decimals because everything's better as a decimal. Negative 2.5, negative 1, negative 1.55, 9.5, and n is something. Alright, so you don't want to do a lot of algebra work. It's number 54. You're already tired. You want to go home already. Take a nap. Alright, so the best thing is plug in answers. Not just one, maybe not just two, maybe three. So let's plug in answers. So for precision 1, so it means n is equal to 1. So 1 squared over 2 minus 3. That's 0.5 minus 3, which is negative 2.5. Alright, so far that one's good. Alright, pick 4. So 4 squared over 2 minus 3 becomes, 4 squared is 16 over 2 minus 3. 16 over 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 4 works out. Now let's pick 2. 2 squared over 2, it's 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Alright, so all 3 worked out. So the answer is F, 54F. You can do it again for all these, but you're gonna see that's not the right answer. Alright, Jalen needs to earn an average of $120 a week for his part-time job by the end of 4 weeks. His first 3 weeks paychecks were $95, $145, $130. Which equation can Jalen use to find how much he must earn in the 4th week in order to meet his goal? Alright, so we know everything, the average has to add up to 120. So you know, to find the average, you always divide by how many numbers you added. So it's 4. So it's 95 plus 145 plus 130 plus x, because x we don't know what it is. Alright, when you add all these up, you get 370. So it's because 120 is equal to 370 plus x divided by 4. So the answer is B. 56. How many vertices does the polyhedron below have? The vertices are wherever the edges meet. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6. And 6 not here, so it's J. Don't be scared. The answer says not here. Don't be scared. It happens sometimes. So 56 is J. Alright, 57. Alright. So it says Francis, Leon, Shelby are running for president of their school's student council. Random survey, so it's 60 students. So all these add up to 60. Alright, based on the information, based on the data in the table, which of the following is the best prediction of the number of students who will vote for Leon if it's 2,500 students? Alright, so again, this is ratio. So Leon, so out of 60, 22 vote for him. So now out of 2,500, how many are going to vote for him? Alright, so we saw, so cross multiply. So it's 60x is equal to 22 times 2,500. So now you solve for x, so you got to divide by 60. So x is equal to 2,200 times 2,500 divided by 60. And then so you plug that into your calculator, and you should get 916. So the answer is C. 58. The graph below presents the relationship between the density of water and the temperature of the water. Alright, according to the graph, which of the following intervals best represents the temperature at which the density of water is greater, keyword greater, than 99.9 kilograms per cubic meter? Alright, so where's 999.9? So it's here. So where's greater than? It's only greater than here. So it meets here, so that's 1, and it meets here, it's 7. So it's between 1 and 7. So which one of these answers gives us between 1 and 7? J. Number 59. Which point represents a solution to this equation? Alright, easy. We just gotta see you put the x if the point is on the line, then it's the solution. So 0 and 1. 0 and 1's here. No, that's not it. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Nope, not there. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yes, so that's a maybe. Negative 7 and 0. Negative 7 and 0 is here. The line's up here, so no. So the answer is C. So again, you got to make sure your y value is actually on the line when you plug it in when you plug in the x value. Last but not least, number 60. If I were you, this is the last problem. We'll take a little break, maybe a little stretch. Make sure this one turns out right. Because, you know, number 60, you always want to hurry up and get it done with so you can take your nap. Just take a deep breath, relax, and then go for it. Alright, so it says the height in centimeters, h of x, of a human female of European ancestry can be estimated by multiplying the length of the tibia in centimeters, x, by 2.9. So we're going to multiply x by 2.9, so you get this 2.9x. And then adding 61.3 to the product. So the equation is 2.9x plus 61.53. Alright, so now you got to find it, and of course is 60h, and then you x. Then you can get recommended and get lots of scholarships and whatnot and graduate.